my name's Harvey. I'm here from Searchie, and I'm trying to prevent you from this problem. We're an online talent agency. We basically try to take the most important parts or successful parts from a headhunting agency, condense them down, turn them into technology and put them on the cloud so as that employers can find the best passive talent as quickly, as cost effectively as possible and feel comfortable with their decision making. Great question. We started 4 years ago as a headhunting agency, and after a while realized that there is a better, more sophisticated and elegant way to do what we're doing in the bricks and mortar space, in the office space. So we've basically taken the coolest, most interesting and valuable parts of that 4-year experience and turned them into, digital. So we launched our MVP yesterday. Woo! We're really excited about it. And we'd really encourage anyone to come and check it out. The website is searchie.me. That's SEARCHIE.me. What makes me want to make a difference? Man, I don't know if any of you guys have actually been through the employment process, but it is awful. Whether you're an employer or a candidate, it just hurts. For an employer, you've got to go through 700 CVs and profiles before you even work out who you want to interview. You waste countless time, you waste hours, and you don't know if you're going to get the right people at the end of it. As a candidate, you don't get people respond to you, you'll submit your CV, you won't even know if it's been received. It's just an awful process. So it's not really that I want to do something crazy to save the world and make it a better place. I just don't want to have a terrible time being an employee or an employer. It's been great, and thanks very much for this opportunity as well. We've only been really kind of busying up for the last couple of hours, but the energy's high. Everyone seems to be, really getting into it, and I'm pretty impressed so far.